Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Haspro, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download the software for the Rk61. No matter, it might be RGB Rk61 or it might be something else, doesn't matter. So the first step for this is you go to your Chrome, go to your new tab, and then type enrkgaming.com. Link will be in the description. Go to menu, go to download, and then if you scroll down, you're gonna say something like this. Now before this, what you gotta make sure that your keyboard is plugged in with your laptop or your computer or whatever it might be. So you gotta see when you see all this, you wanna leave it, and then you wanna press Windows R, and then type dev mgmt.msc, okay, and then press OK. You will be seeing something like this, and then go to keyboards, click on the first one. You gotta make sure your keyboard is plugged in, by the way, and then click on details. In the property, you gotta choose hardware IDs, and then you will see something like this, which is PID, and then there will be a value over here. For me it is 007A. It might be different for you, it doesn't matter. You just want to remember it or write it down. If you cannot remember it, click on OK, and then minimize it. Go to your browser. So here you'll see something like PID for each one of these. See PID. So you wanna download the one which has 0 PID. So I had 007A. You might have 0055. You might also have 008B or 0060. You wanna download the one which is yours. So for me it is 007A. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna open it. You need to go to, wait, before opening it, what you gotta do is unzip it. So you gotta click on extract all, and then go to rk driver by. You're gonna see something like that, and then click on the last one which says RGB keyboard setup. You gotta click on that, and then you're gonna see something like Windows protected your PC, and then there what you're gonna do is click on more info, and then you're gonna see runaway. It's if you think it is virus or something, it's not virus, it's completely safe, trust me. So you gotta allow the permissions, and then for language, choose your language. You might be, I don't know which language this is. You, if you're this language, you can, if this language is comfortable for you, you can choose this. I'm gonna choose English because I don't understand that language. Click on OK. Next. You can click on next for next. Nothing's gonna happen, and then install, and then click on finish. It's gonna download it for you, and then something like this is gonna pop up. Okay, so this was the tutorial for how to download the Rk61. But if you want to know how do we turn on our lights, or like some different modes, these are the different modes right here. There's so many different modes, almost 20 or something. So yeah, so this was the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like the tutorial, drop a like. If you want to be notified with something like this, subscribe and turn on the notifications. And then if you want a other tutorial for Fortnite or for something like this, you can comment down below in the comment section. So that's it for me. Bye. Shout out to Youth Gaming and LOL Pranker to comment savage in the last video.
Nice.